Are you looking for new construction townhomes in one of the best cities of Silicon Valley? Maybe you want to find a place very close to Google or Amazon or Microsoft. Maybe you've been tired of looking at all these pre-owned homes since new construction is so limited here. Hey, this is Spencer Su, your Bay Area real estate expert. Today, we are in the heart of Mountain View, one of the most sought-after tech cities in all of the valley, checking out a new construction opportunity that only has a total of 85 homes. We are at Amelia by Taylor Morrison, and Taylor Morrison doesn't have that much new construction in the Bay Area because they do a lot of single families in other places, but they just finished a Royal Village in Cupertino, which you may have heard about. They are going through and selling quickly their places in Mountain View. You're gonna get a range of 2 to 4 bedrooms, and the prices will start at about $1.5 million. Now, here's the reality when it comes to new construction here. It's almost non-existent. There is very little of them, especially these larger developments. You may see a few here and there that are 20 to 30 units long, but when something like this comes around, it is really unique. It'll also come with a swimming pool and a park by the end of this year. So we're gonna be looking at 3 different model units, starting from a 2-bedroom, going to a 3-bedroom, and then we'll wrap up with the 4th bedroom, which is the most popular one. I'm also going to showcase a few additional information just so you know in advance. In this particular community, the solar is only going to be a lease option. Now, you can choose to own solar after 5 years, but they did it a little bit differently. The HOAs are pretty reasonable, especially with all the amenities that you have. They'll start out at $407 a month. As of right now, at the time of this recording, there are 8 homes that are available to be purchased as we speak, but 26 out of the 85 are already sold. So if this is something of interest, you got to reach out to me directly. Because I have great relationships with these builders, you will have a competitive edge and you will not pay extra. But let's go take a look at the place first and let's see if you like any of them. All right, so let's start off with this 2-bedroom. The 2 bedrooms start at $1.5 million and can go up to $1.74 million. The square foot would range between 1125 up to 1431 square feet, with an August and September completion date as of this recording. Now, these are going to be a 2-bed, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, but the great point about this is that they are side by side. As part of it, you're also going to get the amenities, which you're going to have a pool right in the center that should be completed by the end of this year. Now, they are offering a special closing cost credit and promotion right now if you use their in-house lender. So you might be able to get a deal. So reach out to me and let's figure out if that deal could be the thing that moves you across the finish line for this one. Now, throughout this home, you're going to see some consistent styles and choices. You're going to have nice GE appliances. You're going to have Cambria quartz countertops. And for all of these, you're going to have a full height backsplash, not just a strip of tile, but the real deal. Now, throughout the entire home, you've got engineered hardwood flooring. No need for carpet to rip out later. It's already done right. Now, let's go finish the tour and let me know if this 2-bedroom layout may be right for you. All right, so let's take a look at the 3 bedrooms. The 3-bedroom is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, but the garage is going to be tandem car parking. They have the most affordable one right now at $1.65 million, but it also goes up to $1.88 million. Similar to the 2-bedroom, you can expect around an August completion date. The sizes of these 3 bedrooms will typically range between 1502 to 1533 square feet. Now, as you take a look around, one of the things I like about this community is that it is a very walkable neighborhood and area because you're just minutes from Rangsdorf Park, which has a public pool, tennis courts, dog park, picnic areas, which I've been to there many, many times when I play tennis matches. Food options, you got a lot of great places nearby too. Robu Coffee, Vive Soul Mexican Restaurant, and Maldano's Pizzeria right nearby. Plus, you also have the Target and Walmart, which is just a short stroll away for these day-to-day errands. This area has a WA score that is 80, which means it's very walkable, and a transit score at 47. But if you like to bike, this could be the perfect place for you. All right, let's finish off with the tour and let me know what you think. How do you compare it, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3? If you like what you see right now, every single week I am releasing videos to help people understand their options, but also strategize for the moves accordingly. Call or text me at 408-547-4590 and let's go over game plan today. All right, so this one's gonna be the most popular one because it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2-car garage side by side. Right now, there's a special incentive for this size starting at $1.7 million, which goes up to $1.8 million. I like this layout the most because for finding a 4-bedroom at this price, it's pretty hard to come by. Now, these sizes range at the high 1,600 square feet to the low 1,700 square feet. Now, a little bit about the builder. Taylor Morrison is one of the most well-respected builders in the Bay Area and certainly the country because it's known for high-quality construction and thoughtful floor plans. They have so many different successful communities all throughout, and while you see a lot more of like Lennar, Summerhill Homes, Pulte, Taylor Morrison does have a great reputation, especially if you notice that they just finished their Cupertino Arroyo Village, which was a highly sought-after, high-demand product. Now, why do people choose Mountain View and why do people pay these prices? For many reasons. Primarily it's because of the commute situation. As if you work in tech, your job now or your future job will probably be around this area because you're just minutes from the Googleplex, Intuit, Udacity, Coursera, many other players in the North Bay Shore area. Or if you're working down south, you may want to be around all the different tech giants like Apple, Meta, Amazon, Nvidia, to Sunnyvale and Santa Clara. So it's not like this will last very long. So if any of these layouts may work for you, there's actually a total of 7 different configurations available. So if any of these look of interest, do not go on your own. Reach out to me. We can work out a game plan and work on your schedule to get you in and then help you decide, is this the right community for you, or would you rather go for single family homes or maybe some other types of pre-owned, newly built townhomes? We can explore those all simultaneously. Now, let me know what you think about the 4-bedroom. Given the price and the layouts, which of these 3 would you choose? Leave in the comments below. Okay, what do you think about that? Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seasoned home buyer looking to upgrade, or maybe you're relocating for work, this community, Amelia, offers a unique opportunity to plant roots in one of the Bay Area's most dynamic cities. So if you're ready to schedule a private tour, I need to go with you for the very first time, or if you want to just explore all of your options simultaneously, let's jump on a no-obligation consultation call. 408-547-4590. Just call or text me. My name is Spencer Sue once again, and I'd love to help you find your next place. See you next time.